This is a music video about accessible instructional materials in schools. The video opens with a young woman using her iPad in the garden while another student with her guide dog enters the classroom. Two women, representing the principles of accessible design and universal design for learning, enter the classroom to provide the students with braille notes and other instructional aids. They are followed by two men who interrupt the teacher and try to stop the students from using this equipment. But later, the students and teachers smile as they work together with their accessible instructional materials to complete their assignments.
3, 2, 1, action!
Hello, learning, my old friend. It's good to walk with you again. We've been united by accessible materials. Now I can read and write and factor polynomials. Thanks to Access, I have everything I need to succeed. It is the sound of equality. In classrooms past, I walked alone. I had no books to call my own. Other kids could use the handouts, and they could also use the websites. But for me, I just sat there in my chair. It wasn't fair. It was the sound of discrimination. But in the dawning light I saw a new solution for us all. The principles of accessible design combined with principles of UDL could give access to the general curriculum for everyone. It was the sound of progress. Some said this you do not know. Providing access makes you slow. It dumbs down learning for everyone. It's way too hard and simply can't be done. And besides, we don't want to 'cause we don't care. Back in your chair echoes the wells of discrimination. But thanks to people just like you, the truth was heard, and then I knew that my assistive technologies can access everything I need with ease. And no longer will I miss opportunities to succeed. Whispered the sound of equality.
This video is dedicated to the loving memory of Travis Humphrey, who didn't let his limitations actually limit who he was. His smile was his song.